Managing fleet safety takes effort. Getting the full picture shouldn't. From inspection histories to crash data to driver scorecards and violation trends. Get the insights you need at the push of a button. Get the same data insurers use to evaluate your risk with CAB's MC Advantage.
John Doe was driving his straight truck eastbound on a sunny stretch of 3-lane one-way Cola Pop Parkway near Soda Springs, Idaho. Rolling along in the center lane, Doe noticed that the left lane was polluted by a haze of blue smoke. Doe wondered aloud, is there a tire fire ahead? Nope. The smoke was billowing from the rusty tailpipe of a slow-moving, oil-guzzling vehicle with 200,000 miles of faithful service. Doe rolled up his window in self-defense and remained in the center lane, preparing to pass the thick cloud. The car's driver spied a sign announcing that Mally O'Malley's Irish pub was 2 blocks ahead on the right. Craving a plate of bacon and cabbage, the driver zoomed into the center lane without using his turn signal, and the center lane was occupied by Doe's truck and trailer, which incurred some minor damage to its left rear wheel well. Was this accident preventable? Doe's safety director cited him for a preventable accident, claiming Doe should have been on high alert given that the vehicle was practically on fire. Doe contested the preventable accident ruling and asked the National Safety Council's Accident Review Committee to render a final decision. NSC quickly ruled in Doe's favor, noting that he could never have anticipated the vehicle's wild lane changeover and some bad luck of the Irish.